Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make these trending images. First, open your browser and type bing.com. Click on Images. Then click on Create. After login with your email, you'll see this page named Image Creator. Now type the prompt right here. You can also change your desired social media name. And what does he wearing? You can also change your name here. I'll put this prompt in the description. Now click on Create button. After showing the result, click on Image to preview. Let's try another prompt. Select and save your desired image by click on download. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Graphic Solution Tricks channel for more videos.